Hiring the right educators is tough. Piles of resumes, long assessments, and yet, sometimes, the wrong hire. It's time for a change. Meet Hubble STAR, the AI-powered hiring solution designed just for educational institutions. Faster, smarter, and completely data-driven. It offers evaluation tools for academic and administrative roles, helping institutions assess skills and hire the right talent across departments. Let's understand how you can hire smarter in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Effortless onboarding and assessment access. The process begins with a quick, user-friendly onboarding experience. Candidates simply upload their CV. Our system auto-extracts key details such as personal information, which are automatically filled into the registration form. Next, they share their preferences, such as preferred role, preferred location, and subject, making sure we capture exactly what roles they're applying for. Once that's done, they're guided to take a structured fitment test that evaluates them across 5 essential skills, such as core skills, pedagogy, communication skills, digital literacy, and psychometry, which includes question types like single choice, multiple choice, true, false, and match the following. Step 2. Demo submission and AI evaluation. Post-assessment, candidates upload their demonstration videos based on their selected subjects. These videos are reviewed by our AI engine, which evaluates clarity, structure, and content delivery, providing detailed, objective scores. This ensures a fair and consistent method to measure their teaching capabilities. Step 3. Interview and final decision. Qualified candidates then move to the interview stage, coordinated by HR. Interviews are aligned with previous assessment stages for a unified evaluation. At the end of the process, you receive a detailed report showing scores, feedback, and performance at each stage, empowering you to make confident, data-driven hiring decisions. Hubble STAR is transforming educational recruitment with faster hiring cycles, cost optimization, smarter, stronger hires, data-backed decision-making, advanced AI proctoring. Revolutionize your recruitment process with Hubble STAR, the future of smart hiring for education.